honest, then easy lies in the dark. Ooh, heavy lies in the dark. Come sit close, look me in my eyes. If your heart feel heavy, let your spirit speak tonight. I can take the storm, more than I can take pretending. We only grow strong when we stop the defending.
I've been so afraid you would run from my confession, but grace is in this room. I can feel it in the tension, so I lay it on the table. Every secret I've been hiding. If we walk in truth together, we will see the fear subsiding.
Honesty is the best policy. Tell me the truth, let it all be free. Even when it cuts, it's healing me. Love can only live in reality. Honesty is the best policy. Straight from your heart, speak openly. I'd rather hard word faithfully than a sweet lie stealing destiny. I've missed the mark, I've stumbled and I've wandered, but I bring my broken pieces to the one above who's stronger. When I own my wrong, mercy rushes in like ocean. I can look you in the face with a clean and steady conscience.
When you tell the truth, you're a mirror of His kindness. Every honest word pushes back the quiet blindness. If my faith is real, then my lips must show it plainly. I will bless you with the truth, even when it shakes me.
Honesty is the best policy. Tell me the truth, let it all be free. Even when it cuts, it's healing me. Love can only live in reality. Honesty is the best policy. Straight from your heart, speak openly. I'd rather hard word faithfully than a sweet lie stealing destiny. No more masks,
No more fear,
truth bring blessing.
let it draw us near.
Hand in hand,
Heart to heart,
truth with love, that's a holy start.
oh yeah.
Honesty is the best policy. Tell me the truth, let it all be free. Even when it cuts, it's healing me. Love can only live in reality. Honesty is the best